You want to see what I'm seeing from the laptop? Oh shit, I'm getting too over there.
Oh, you went up, so I lost you.
I'm descending fast too right now.
Don't lose my camera, Jonathan. I don't know where the hell you're at. Oh, there you are. I see you. Okay, I feel better when I can see you.
Who's honking?
Oh, somebody in the next parking area.
Somebody saw it?
I don't know. They may be honking at the guys in the boat. I don't know. Where the hell are you at? Oh, there it is. Ooh, going pretty fast. Oh, my camera's still on there.
It is good, good. You know it's good.
You're giving me ulcers, Jonathan.
Still there. I'm fulfilling my promise.
Oh, you're going away now. I'm going to start to worry again.
Yes, sir, I am.
Don't hit those guys.
I won't. I'm just going to go say hello.
Yeah, I see you.
Oh, really? Cool.
Don't hit any trees.
I'm over the rock right now.
Don't hit any rocks either. That'd be worse than a tree, probably.
The tree has a little bit of cushioning effect.
Well, yeah, if you hit it in the right spot. Although I have discovered branches don't work so well if they're good sized. don't try to land in a branch at 40 miles an hour.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like it end too well. That's out of control all the way over here.
Okay, that's good. I like that idea.
Didn't say come back to good.
Oh, you,
Taking the path.
you know, young people are not supposed to torment old men, you know.
I'm not. I promise.
Remember, I have a heart condition, you know.
I was trying to avoid that subject, okay? Thanks for making me feel bad now.
It's okay. It's my pleasure. There it is. Oh, I'm feeling better now. It's moving awful fast, though. Don't put it in the water. Jesus Christ.
Was that close?
It seemed to me like you were doomed there for a minute.
Flight camera told me otherwise.
Yeah, well, I'm not sure if I believe that thing. Okay, we're not over the water anymore. I can actually see my camera again. Oh, that's my timer.
Oh, it is?
I must have bumped it. Oh, I left my transmitter on. I wonder if that was messing with your... Oh, it's going away again. God damn it.
Yes, sir. Birds.
You keeping track of the time?
Yes, sir. I got about 6 minutes on the clock.
That's a long 6 minutes.
Oh, yes, sir. Good to have 6 minutes, though.
I don't know how much more of this I can watch. Judging by the waves, the wind's gone down though. At least changed direction. Where the hell are you at now?
Faster fishing. Following these birds.
We don't need any bird collisions.
Yeah, that's why they'll avoid me.
Yeah, you hope. Yeah, bring it back. One piece, please. Here it comes.
You can see it?
It's right over there. It's going away from us.
It is? No, it's not.
Oh, that's a bird. Never mind. Where the hell is it?
That's coming. Jeez. Had this been my actual low voltage alarm though, I would have killed my battery and this thing would have been in the water. So it's a good learning experience.
Don't hit the bushes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank God.
That was a damn good flight.
Yeah, it just aged me about 10 years.
I'm so sorry about that.